Are you looking for a stud finder? I got one right here that this company sent me. They want me to check it out and give them some feedback on it, so I figured that I would do that for them. So we're gonna do a little unboxing video right here of this stud finder. First of all, hi to all the new dads out there. This is Dad Reviews. This is where I give you my unedited, hopefully more authentic look at the products that I like, use, have, and, well, companies send to me. So if you're interested in that, you might want to consider clicking that subscribe button. So what we have here, let's open this bad boy up and we'll get inside. It's a little stud finder, a wall stud finder. If you guys, for whatever reason y'all don't know, a stud is the boards in the wall, and this thing finds them. Let's see, this is one multifunction electronic stud sensor finders, wall detector, cinder finder. I'll link it up down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. But let's see what we have inside the box. This is model TH240. If you guys want to check it out, like I said, I'll put a link in the description. You guys can go and read other people's reviews about it. There is a free 6 months extended warranty, and just some contact information on the front there. And then it comes nice and bubble wrapped up. Gotta love a little bit of bubble wrap, keeping it protected. And then what else is this? It's a box. And there's like warranty information and instructions and whatnot. Let's see what the creme de la creme here is. Open that bad boy up. Okay. So first of all, first thing that I noticed is it has the pads on the back here, so that whenever you are putting it against your wall, like so, it doesn't rub on your wall and mess up your paint or anything like that. It's a nice smooth surface to be able to search for your stud with. Press the button on the side there, a little screen pops up. It shows a package. Oh no, that's a piece of wood. Can y'all see that? Yeah, a piece of wood, and then I guess this is the meter for it, maybe. Let's see. Let's look at this thing. Let me grab you guys. I'll flip that right there, and let's see if there's a stud right here. What is it? Oh, stud. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so the little arrows come up. Watch. Let's see if it does it again. Okay, so it detects it, and then that's the center. I guess it has like some kind of measuring thing in there. That's really cool. I like that. Oh, there's the center. That's cool. Okay, so it does a stud, a deep, metal, and AC. I honestly don't know what any of that means, but let's see if it shows the same things or not. So this is deep stud, I guess. Oh, found something there. Maybe it goes further into the wall if it's further away. I don't know. I don't understand that. It gives me a little lightning bolt thing on the top here too. I don't quite know exactly what that is yet either. I do like this center feature, so it tells you exactly where the center of the stud is. Let's switch it on over to metal. So it's looking for metal beams, I'm assuming now, and I don't believe that there are any in here. Oh, there's something. Is that telling me to go up? See how the arrow points up right there? Huh. I don't know what that means. That's interesting. And then AC, I'm assuming that might be like an electrical current. So like if there's a wire in the wall. Let's go near a look. Let's go right here. We got a wall plate here. We'll go around this thing and see what we can find. So does that mean it found something? Yep, there's something right there. All around here, apparently. And then below here, there's nothing. Oh, there's a little something right there. Okay. Interesting. So it's got a decent speaker on there so you can hear the beeping. And it's got 4 settings there like I just showed you. AC, metal, deep, and stud. If you guys know what deep means, that's the one that kind of confuses me the most. I'm assuming it means that it's deep in there some, you know, so far. Looks like it came with the battery, which is always nice. I love whenever electronics come with the battery. It takes a 9-volt battery there. And yeah, it seems to a stud center finder, metal and AC live wire detector. Super cool. Like I said, if you guys want to check this thing out, I'm going to link it up down in the description below. You guys can go and read other people's reviews about it. Don't just take my word for it. But it seems to work right out of the box. stupid simple to use, which is always good. I like that. If you guys are looking for any other tools that you might need for around your house, I'm gonna put some tool videos right here on the screen. And actually there's one with some peg hooks to organize your tools. I'll put that on the screen there as well if you guys need some of those. Those are the best find that I found on Amazon. I've been seeing a lot of people buying those through my Amazon link. If you guys, so I'll see you in that video. Thank you guys for watching. That thumbs up is always appreciated, and Dad out.